See bete, in case of hen, we have discussed two types of the fertilization. Was external and one was internal. In the external fertilization in the frog, we have discussed it lays so many eggs. In case of hen also there are so many eggs, not so much as in the frog, but at least there are eggs. Okay. अब hen की केस में क्या होती है? इंटरनल फर्टिलाइजेशन होगी. There is an internal fertilization, and after that the zygote will travel in the oviduct. Okay. And then when it will be traveling in the oviduct, it will form protective layers around the egg. That is known as shell. Okay. When it will develop the shells and all, the hard shell ban jayegi, then jo egg hen it will hatching the eggs, and now in the egg there is embryo. Zygote के बाद क्या बनता है? There is an embryo. Now the formation embryo will develop to giving the chick, when the egg will hatch in the form of chick, and it probably take 3 weeks. ठीक है? और embryo to chick बनने के लिए कम से कम 3 week लगते हैं. And you have seen every kind of bird. Pigeons are nowadays. So usually the pigeon or a hen sit over its egg to provide the heat or warmth. So this period is known as incubation period. Okay, जब किसी warmth चीज में रखते हैं, that is known as incubation. Okay, so again to repeat, bete, in hen also suction sit quietly and obediently. Don't always do like this. Be mature. So again, bete, in case of hen also, internal fertilization take place. When the internal fertilization is there, when the egg is traveling in the oviduct, there is the formation of the protective layers known as shell. See? And then the egg will come out, and then egg will, from the egg, chick कब तक आएगी? Embryo को कितना time लगता है develop होने में? 3 weeks. ठीक? In these 3 weeks, the hen will sit over the eggs and provide the warmth of the body. And this period is known as incubation period. Okay. When the embryo will develop fully and chick will form, the egg will hatch, टूट जाता है, आपको पता है, break करता है, and chick आ जाती है बाहर. So this is all about hen. And what is about cloning? क्लोनिंग में हम जेनेटिकली सेम कोई सेल बनाते हैं खुद. ठीक है? जैसा कोरोना वायरस चल रहा है, उन्होंने लैब में सिंथेसाइज कर लिया. सुनने में तो ये है कोई टेस्ट ट्यूब ब्रेक हो गई थी, एंड सम आर सेइंग दैट क्योंकि उन्होंने बैट्स खा लिए थे इसलिए. सम कहते हैं जी वो पहले का एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे थे तो उन्होंने खुद वायरस बना रहे थे. तो जब बना रहे थे तो वो जो टेस्ट ट्यूब है जिसमें भी बना रहे होंगे वो ब्रेक कर गई थी, तो जिसके कारण वो वायरस फैल गया. सो नो वन नोज कि एक्चुअली हुआ क्या है. ठीक है? नो वन नोइंग. बट ये जो वायरस है बेटे, वी कैन से ये आपकी लैब्स में भी सिंथेसाइज हो सकता है, या इट कैन इवन सिंथेसाइज in the some are saying that bad. We are not known that China ने कैसे स्प्रेड किया कि ये वायरस लैब में सिंथेसाइज हुआ है या बैड को ही खा के आया, क्योंकि वहां पे एक्सपेरिमेंट्स बहुत चलते रहते हैं. ठीक है? इन द सेम वे हम जो हमारे इंजीनियर्स हैं या साइंटिस्ट बैठते हैं, जेनेटिकली जो साइंटिस्ट जीन्स के साथ डील करते हैं उन्हें कहते हैं जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग. ठीक है? जीन्स आपकी बॉडी में डीएनए वगैरह है. ठीक है? तो उनकी जब इंजीनियरिंग करी जाती है उनको कहते हैं, उस फील्ड को कहा जाता है जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग करना. ठीक है? क्लोनिंग में क्या करते हैं? क्लोन बनाते हैं. क्लोन में आप एक सेल का क्लोन बना सकते हो, बहुत सारे सेल्स का क्लोन बना सकते हो, सिमिलर सेल लैब में सिंथेसाइज कर सकते हो, या आप कोई ऑर्गन बना सकते हो, या पूरा का पूरा ऑर्गेनिज्म बना सकते हो, कुछ भी बना सकते हो। ठीक है, रोल नंबर 2 and 19। ओके, तो ऐसे ही जो फर्स्ट क्लोन बनाया गया था, एक शीप बनाई गई थी जिसका नेम दिया गया था डॉली। ठीक है, तो विद ये सारी जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग करेगी थी, तो ये हमारी शीप बनाई गई थी इन द स्कॉटलैंड। ओके, व्हाट इज क्लोनिंग, अंडरस्टैंड? एक सेल की डुप्लीकेट बनाना, क्लोन क्या होते हैं, डुप्लीकेट्स बनाना। यू हैव सीन द मूवी रोबोट वाली, वो कितने क्लोन बना लेता है। ठीक है, तो सारी सेम सेम कितनी सारी बना लेता है। इन द सेम वे जब हम जीन्स से, अब जो हमारी सेल्स में जीन्स है, हम एक बेटे एक ह्यूमन बीइंग दूसरे ह्यूमन बीइंग से कैसे डिफर करता है। जब आजकल, पहले तो पता नहीं चलता था, आजकल जब ब्लड टेस्ट ली जाते हैं तो हम कहते हैं डीएनए फिंगरप्रिंट, जैसे कि फिंगरप्रिंट एक दूसरे के मैच नहीं करते। अब टीचर्स को देखा करो, सुबह अटेंडेंस दे रहे होते हैं, बिकॉज एवरी टीचर हैव डिफरेंट फिंगरप्रिंट, तो वो फिंगरप्रिंट वहां पे लगते हैं। ठीक है, हमारे सबके अलग अलग है। इन द सेम वे जो डीएनए है हमारा, वो भी सबका अलग अलग है। अटेंडेंस वहां पे, ठीक है। सो जो बायोमेट्रिक चलता है, दैट इज आवर अटेंडेंस, आवर फिंगरप्रिंट इज डिफरेंट डिफरेंट। ओके, इन द सेम वे जो डीएनए का जेनेटिक इंफॉर्मेशन है, सबकी डिफरेंट डिफरेंट है। देयर इज अ टेस्टिंग, ब्लड टेस्टिंग जब होती है तो उनकी फिंगरप्रिंट किसका लिया जाता है, डीएनए का। ठीक है, जब क्लोन्स बनाए जाते हैं तो हमने सेल्स के अंदर सब कुछ सेम रखना होता है, उनका डीएनए की इंफॉर्मेशन, तभी क्लोन्स बनेंगे। वैसे डॉली क्लोन बनाया गया, उसकी हर एक सेल की इंफॉर्मेशन बिल्कुल सेम कॉपी करेगी जो एक शीप का क्लोन था। Got the point? So what is cloning? जाग जा, स्लीपिंग क्लास नहीं चल रही है, स्ट्रेट। Got the point? So our chapter finishes here. So this is your homework to draw the life cycle of the silk. अभी कर रहे हैं, क्वेश्चन आंसर क्यों नहीं करने? See bete, the diagram to be drawn, write down in the notebook of the chapter. This chapter जितनी भी हमने करी है, starting from the male reproductive system, female reproductive system, ठीक है, sperm, egg, ovum, then fertilization, then budding, then fission, okay, then life cycle of frog, and life cycle of frog you have to do in the practical file too, as it is subject enrichment activity. So you have 4 practical in totality and 4 practical file आपकी चेक होनी है बाय मंडे इटसेल्फ। ठीक है, दिवाली हॉलीडेज हैं, उसके बाद भी हॉलीडेज हैं, तो यू विल फिनिश ऑल द, एक दिन ही दिवाली मनानी है, उसके बाद तो यू कैन फिनिश द प्रैक्टिकल फाइल। आई डोंट नो, हाँ विश्वकर्मा डे की तो होती है। अगेन यू हैव स्टार्टेड life cycle of silkworm. Now let us discuss the question answer again. It is not the dictating, it is discussion, and I want the full participation. I don't know bete. So open your book. So the first question is, explain the importance of the reproduction in animals. चलो बोलो, फिर आंसर बोल दो। गुंदास, स्ट्रेट स्ट्रेट स्ट्रेट। जितनी जबान तेरी चलती ना, उतना मेरा पेन चलने वाला है, याद रखियो। ये मैंने बता के नहीं चलाना।
It is essential for the survival of the species on the earth. It is essential for
So the first point, Parthi, what is the first point? Stand up. जो इसने बोला वो बोलना. कान बंद थे हमारे. लास्ट मिनट पे चल. You must be physically and mentally present in the classroom. स्टार्टिंग से बोलेंगे तो मैंने खड़े कर दिया. सक्षम सुनाएगा भी ये सारे पॉइंट फिर से.
Importance of reproduction in organisms. Reproduction is essential for the survival of the species on the earth. It is essential for continuation of the species. It ensures the continuation of similar kind of individuals from one generation after generation.
Yes, Saksham, stand up. Same.
It is after generation in other generation.
What is generation in other generation? Yes, Jagjot. Same question. Stand up. What is the importance of the reproduction? उसने अभी इतने क्लियर कट पॉइंट बोले. सर्वाइवल के लिए जरूरी है, कॉन्टिन्यूटी के लिए जरूरी है. यस. Continuation, survival, and continuation of the characteristics from one generation to another. Sit down. Be attentive in the class. Now next is describe the process of fertilization. Yes.
Fertilization of egg whites also two types.
Human beings you have to tell. Yes. See, bete, in the case of fertilization in the human being, to summarize it, the male reproductive organ, it will release the male gametes, and female reproductive organ will release the female gamete. Okay? And fertilization of the male and female gamete occur inside, or we can say the fertilization of egg. Egg with sperm occur in the fallopian tubes. And after the fertilization, the first cell formed is known as zygote. Now this zygote will divide and form 2 cells, then 4 cells, then 16 cells, and then 32 cells, and so on. And then it will form an embryo. Then embryo will implant in the uterus. And then embryo will gradually, धीरे धीरे किसमें change होगा? It will change into the fetus. Now what is fetus? fetus in which all the body parts are visible or can be identified. Got it? So you can make yourself the point. So give two difference, only two they are asking between zygote. टिक वाले बाद में करते हैं. बाद में. Give two difference between zygote and fetus. Yes. और
Zygote is the first cell. Zygote is the first cell of the
very
fetus
nice.
is the
Last
fully
stage.
developed.
So you can see the zygote is the early stage. सबसे पहली stage zygote बनती है after fertilization. And what is fetus? It is the last stage. In zygote is only one cell, and fetus is a fully developed that it has all the you can identify all the organs in the fetus. ठीक है? And zygote is formed by the fusion of male and female gamete, and fetus you can write it is a post fertilization process in which all the parts are being identified. Okay. Explain the term asexual reproduction, highlighting any two method of sexual reproduction. We have done both the method, that is binary fission, and also we have done budding. Now you have to explain. Who will explain binary fission first? Yes. In binary fission, the fully grown organism like amoeba, quite stand up. I am listening. हाँ खड़े होके बोलो. Stand up and speak. ये सुन ही नहीं रहे बेटे, तू बोल. ये अपनी बातें कर रहे हैं. पूरा बनाओ बेटे. When the processing being asked, आपने सब बताना है कि first इसकी न्यूक्लियस डिवाइड होता है, that is called karyokinesis, and then cytoplasm. सारा बोलो.
After that, the cytoplasm is divided into two equal parts. This step is known as cytokinesis. In this way, single parent amoeba divides to form two daughter amoeba.
Got it? We have already done. Now who will tell me budding? ऊंची बोलो, ऊंची. रीड नहीं करना. So in the budding, first the small bud will form, and then bud will bear the tentacles and all and grow, and then this bud will detach from the parent hydra, and you will get a daughter hydra and also a parent hydra. We have already done in the class. Explain the term metamorphosis. This we have already done. And state an example in which female reproductive organ
Does the embryo get
embedded? Who will? Uterus. Very nice. What is metamorphosis? Stand up from there. Stand up, Gundas. Go there. What is metamorphosis? Give example. जो भाषा में आप बात करते हो ना, उस भाषा में टीचर आपसे बात करने शुरू हो जाए ना, तो आप कहीं के नहीं रहोगे. The way you speak to a teacher. Quiet now. What is metamorphosis? Give example. कोई याद? Yes. नहीं, मैंने पूरी डेफिनेशन लिखवाई है आपको.
Metamorphosis is defined as the process in which animal body structure abruptly changes through cell growth and differentiation. It is a biological process.
फिर एग्जाम्पल दो. फिर आप फ्रॉग की एग्जाम्पल दो. जो आप बोल रहे हो, यू आर गिविंग द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ फ्रॉग, बट फर्स्ट आपने टोटलिटी में मेटामॉर्फोसिस एक्सप्लेन करना है. टेकिंग एग्जाम्पल ऑफ लाइक सिल्क, मोथ और फ्रॉग, जो मर्जी ले लो, तो एकदम से चेंज होता है. Explain the difference between the internal and external fertilization.
Fertilization, it occurs inside the female body. It acts as fertilized fresh form inside the female body to form zygote.
बस. We have done so many points. बस ये चार. अब तो उसको डिस्टर्ब करने गया है. बोलो. So internal fertilization occur inside the female body.
Which occurs outside the female body. Most aquatic animals use this fertilization. Large number of offspring. Thus the chance of survival is maximum.
So where you will write in the definition, you will write in the internal fertilization, the fertilization occur inside the body, that is outside the body. In internal fertilization, the chances of the survival is more, and in external fertilization, the chances of survival is less. In internal fertilization, only one cell or fertilized होती है. In external fertilization, more than one eggs are laid or so. ठीक है. So you can write so many points over you. हाँ जी. हाँ, internal. इसमें एक्सटर्नल में लो चांस है. जब लार्ज नंबर ऑफ एग्स ले इसलिए करते हैं कि सर्वाइवल का चांस मैक्सिमाइज होता है. वैसे इट इज ए लो, चांस तो लो है ना बेटे, कभी मैक्सिमाइज होगा. बेटे 100% तो हम ये नहीं कह सकते, बट कभी देखो जो 90, कोई भी चीज परफेक्ट नहीं होती, 99.9% होती है, 1% हम लेके चलते हैं. Can't say. So now only बेटे our choose the most appropriate. जगजोत, अभी स्पर्म नहीं पता हमें क्या है. Choose the most appropriate answer. Saksha will give the answer. Internal fertilization occur in internal. Okay? In female body, outside the female body, in male body, outside the male body. Stand up, Saksha. Just try to give the answer. See the four options. Male body. He wants to tell that I am joker. Sit down. आपको आता भी है तभी yes in female body. Next of the next answer. A tadpole develop into adult frog by the process of again the number of nuclei present in the zygote is none, 1, 2, 4. 1. Indicate whether the following statement true or false. Oviparous animal give birth to young one. False. You will not give mass answering, you will just raise the hand. Each sperm is a single cell. True. Yes. Each sperm is a single cell. External fertilization take place in the frog. False. A new human individual developed from cell called gamete. False. Egg laid after fertilization is made up of single cell. True. But after fertilization to pehla single cell. Amoeba reproduced by budding. Fertilization is necessary even in asexual reproduction. It is false. Binary fission is a method of asexual reproduction. An embryo is made up of single cell. A zygote is formed as a result of fertilization. Yes. True. First cell leave होती है after fertilization. True. So beta chapter finishes here, and to recall the chapter, you have done two types of reproduction in this chapter. One is sexual, one is asexual. In the asexual reproduction, there is no need of two types of gametes. It occurs with the help of single parent only. In the sexual reproduction, it occurs with the help of two gametes. There is a fusion. Okay. Then we have done two types of animals, that is viviparous and oviparous. In oviparous, there is the laying of eggs. In viviparous, they will give birth to young ones. Then you have done asexual reproduction, in which two processes we have done. One is budding, next is binary fission. Budding you have done the example in Hydra, and binary fission you have done in amoeba. Then in the sexual reproduction, you have done in frog, and you have done in human beings, and also some small paragraph for the hen also. Okay? In human beings, we have seen that the sperms are being produced by the testes that travel in the vas deferens. From the seminal vesicle, sperm will mix with the fluid that is known as semen. Then semen and urine both will reach to the urethra, and from that it will be ejected through the penis. But in the female reproductive system, the ovaries will produce egg, and each egg will be produced alternatively in 1 month. Then egg will travel into the fallopian tube, and the fertilization will take place in the fallopian tube itself. And if the fertilization will not take place, Then there will be shedding of the uterus. Got it? Then egg will travel. Egg after fertilization forms zygote. Zygote will divide, redivide in forming the embryo. Then it will get implanted in the uterus. And then the whole grown that this has distinguisher part that is known as fetus. Okay. These are the various. Now in the sperm, we have done the diagram which consists of acrosome, which have enzyme which is useful in the fertilization. Then there was part known as head. Then there is a middle piece consisting of a mitochondria. Then there was a tail which help in the movement. Okay. In the ovum, you have done 2 layers only with cytoplasm and nucleus. After that, in the chapter, we have done life cycle of the frog. In that life cycle, we have seen that frog will lay hundreds and hundreds of eggs, which are being fertilized, and then it will form a fish-like larva known as tadpole, which have legs, which have tail. Then it will metamorphosize and form 2 limbs, that is hind limbs, and afterward it will form 4 limbs. After the formation of 4 limbs, it will move towards land. Okay, and then it will become fully grown adult. Yes, beta, you have to make the cycle of silkworm also in the notebook.